We're going to go over some of my ideas for this next week of the 29th. So this last week on Friday, we had a huge crack of the S&P 500, the SPY index, under that 411 area. Huge dip down to around 403. A lot of sellers coming into the market after this 421 top. Yearly downtrend, lower lows, and then we kind of got this run, this kind of bear run, and then topped out at that 421, and now we're continuing the selling pressure down. So my general idea is I think we're going to break out of this channel on oil plays this next week. If we get over, I say around 78, and we can push up to, like 87, I think we could see that within the next 3 weeks. On the yearly, it's just in a huge uptrend. So this could definitely move and have buying power. So I'm watching plays like Indo, which ran in February pretty hard from damn near $2 right here to $86 on its rip. It went pretty insane. Huge volatility on Indo, which is an Indonesian oil play. Watching that for maybe a continuation up, maybe a Friday pull. It's 180 day. It's kind of setting support right here at this squeeze high up at around $9. So let's see if this demand can hold on these oil plays. The SPY definitely looks. This is a very extended sell. So I think we could get to maybe 400 and see some buying pressure. So I think an oil play could probably be the middle to the end of the week. But yeah, I do think oil could have huge potential. There's a lot going on in the markets. A lot going on in Europe right now. OPEC increasing. Biden doing a bunch of dumb stuff. Yeah, I think we're going to see some huge spikes. The daily 20-day moving average is under this price right here. So I think maybe we could see a little bit of a curve up and then a spike maybe into the end of this next week to next week after that. So yeah, I'm watching Indo. HUSA is also an oil play that kind of goes hand in hand with Indo. And what I like about HUSA is this has kind of created its base, and then now it's creating a higher base. So potentially this demand, we could see a lot more buying pressure on this. The only thing I don't like about HUSA is it's kind of choppy some days. I don't know, it's a tricky thing when you're trying to find. You just really had to find the right day on it, in my opinion. But yeah, we're looking at a lot of demand here at like 445, and then supply up here at 550. If it can break 550, I think we could see highs of 8. Depending on what this oil does, though. Depending on what U.S. oil does, and depending on if we can see the SPY crack down, which I think we could see an extension down, and then maybe a little bit of pullback. I think coming this Monday, we're going to see a gap down to 402, 403. It's already at 403 right now. So I think we could see an extension down to 402, maybe even to 400. And if we do see that, I think we could see some buying pressure come on a dip. Yeah, whoever's going to buy that, good luck. But yeah, that's my ideas for this next week. NERV, we played this last week. It's looking very extended on the 4-hour chart, 180 days. And on the daily chart, it's looking really overextended. So hopefully we can see a pullback on this. And then if we see a pullback on this, we could look to trade this. This also, just depending on where you get in, could have light volume and high volume. But this looks like it has a lot of buying pressure right now. So let's see if this top can hold, and if it can, then I think we'll see a pullback, maybe to these around this $9 area. Other than that, let's see. I don't know if we have any other big runs this last week. INDO HUSA, big oil play is also bored, but this is very light volume, doesn't really rip. Indo. Let's see, do we have anything else? Let's see. Yeah, I think that's about it for last week into this next week. Yeah, just be on the lookout for oil stocks. And let's see if we can have this NERV pullback and whatever else is popping up Monday on the scanners. So hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Manage your risk. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.